Vibrations can be used to explain everything in life. The field of quantum physics, which studies how very small objects behave, backs up this idea. It's becoming clear to you that things move at different speeds or rates. Being in line with what you really want makes it vibrate, which can bring more of that thing into your life. Before you can see the law of attraction work for you, you need to look at what you thought things meant. What makes them work is what you think about them. There are times when you put things on a high and give them more power than they actually have. One example is that money only has power if you give it power. The way money affects you depends on how you think and feel about it. You should be aware that money often has an emotional meaning for you, and that feeling is the energy. It's more than just its real value. It stands for many feelings and wants. Think about it. If your goal is to make $10,000 this month, you probably feel emotionally connected to that amount. To different people, it might mean different things. For some, it might mean having the freedom to go on vacation or do what they love. In some cultures, it can also mean safety, knowing that you can take care of yourself, your friends, or your family, and live a good life. Having $10,000 might make you feel at ease and at ease with your life. For many people, money can mean safety, freedom, plenty, success, or even happiness. How you feel and what you think about money, it can change how you see its part in your life and how important you think it is. When you understand the mental side of money, you can have a better relationship with it and make better decisions about your money. It lets you look at what you think and feel about money and maybe change those things so they are better for your general health. To fully understand this, you need to learn how to raise your energy so that you can attract better things into your life. Sometimes, when you really want something, you make yourself feel separate from that wish without meaning to. When you're apart, you might feel stubborn and unhappy because you don't have what you want yet. This means you are making things from a place of lack or scarcity. Even if you reach your cash goal in the end, you may have trained yourself to be unhappy in the present while you were working towards it. This trend can also be seen in a lot of rich people. People often make the mistake of always looking for the next big goal, instead of taking the time to enjoy and be happy with what they have already accomplished. You should find a mix between making new plans and being happy with how things are right now. You can find more happiness and satisfaction in life if you learn to see yourself and what you've accomplished as enough. When you let yourself really feel the mood you want, you can make yourself feel that emotion. Manifestation is affected by emotions in a big way. Having wealth in general can be reached by mixing the way you feel with the things you do. A lot of people think that if you really care about something, it will come to you more often. This is because being passionate makes you feel better and opens your eyes to chances you hadn't seen before. If you follow your heart and are brave enough to go after your dreams, you may find out about life's secrets and have amazing experiences. Passion makes you feel alive and improves your energy, which lets you connect with the chances and opportunities around you. With this new way of thinking, you should look at what money means to you in general and ask yourself where that energy is coming from. Do you think about money with an attitude of lack or abundance? When you change your focus to wealth, you let more money and chances come your way. In fact, there is plenty in every part of life. Your focus and point of view have a big impact on what you feel and think of as plenty or lack. You may feel like you don't have enough in your life because you are thinking, believing, and focusing too much on how scarce things are. If you keep thinking about what you don't have or what you lack, you support an attitude of shortage, and that becomes your main experience. Putting most of your attention on money will probably bring more of it into your life. Setting goals and having a specific amount in mind is fine. For example, you could try for $50,000. People should dream big because it takes the same amount of work to think about $50,000 as it does to think about $10. So why not set high goals and make your options bigger? Though it's important to be aware of greed and how it might change your heart and mind. Sometimes your desire for things can get in the way of your vision and keep you from seeing how much you already have. Being thankful for signs of plenty is very important when you start to see them. Being thankful keeps you humble and helps you see where you are in terms of your financial energy right now. Always keep in mind that when you change, everything else changes too. Be kind to yourself during the process and try not to think too much about or connect too much meaning to money. Find a good balance and a positive view of wealth and plenty. You can make a personalized model that works for you if you use and focus on your natural skills and gifts. Realizing your worth and believing you deserve the things you want is very important. When you become more aware, you stop putting things on pedestals and see things more fairly. This change in how you think makes manifestation and the law of attraction work better for you. It is important to know that the final goal is not just the result or the things that are achieved. You should be moved and passionate about how you want to be in life. That is your real goal. When you connect with the feelings and interests you want, you give yourself power and take responsibility for making your reality. Then, getting money will just happen as a result of working towards your goals. Just being aware of this can make a big difference in your life. It helps you focus on what's important to you and make sure your actions and goals are in line with them. It's important to remember that money is both a feeling and an energy. It's used as a tool or a way to buy and sell things in the outside world. You don't get value from money itself. You get value from the things you do for other people or from following your interests. If you focus on giving other people something of value, like your skills, abilities, goods, or services, you are more likely to attract a lot of money. Additionally, when you do things that are in line with your interests and make you happy, money often comes along as a side effect. Knowing this point of view can help you deal with money in a healthy and positive way. It frees you from any unnecessary connection or meaning you may have given to money so you can focus on making things of value, following your interests, and becoming what you really want to be. That would be great if you could share what you learned and let me know what you think. Your help means a great deal to me. I hope you have a wonderful time and that you have a lot of money and fun.